Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something fancy from Singapore. This is a big box from Nissin Foods Singapore. What's inside? Let's find out. Oh, okay, this is rad. Check that out. So they've got a new variety of cup noodles over in Singapore, and this is their fish head curry flavor. And they contacted me saying that they wanted me to give it a try, and I'm like, absolutely. I've had fish head curry in Malaysia. In fact, the day that we got into Malaysia after leaving here, then that was what, 8 years ago? We did all this stuff. I mean, traveling there, I think, was about 36 hours. And then we got there and we did all this stuff. And then we finally had dinner at an Indian restaurant that had fish head curry. And man, after like 40 hours of travel, all that felt just like absolutely like in some kind of crazy dream. And this is kind of cool. It makes me think of that experience. So let's see what's going on here. This slides out. It's got a big cup noodle logo on the top of it. Cool. If you haven't had fish head curry, it's really good. It's like there's a big fish head and a bunch of soup kind of stuff, and it's really, really tasty. So what do we have in here? Here, let me open this up and I'll show you. So this is called a clay pot, and if you got fish head curry, it might come in something like this. Oh, that's great. Check this out. It's got a little thing about the fish head curry. Here, I can read you a little bit about it. It has something to do with media inquiries. Is this open? It does. Nissin Cup Noodles launches new fish head curry flavor, the first local-inspired limited edition creation. Exclusive to Singapore, available from 4 April 2022. Calling all fish head curry lovers, now enjoy the iconic Singaporean dish flavor, served in the form of instant noodles. It features a new full-bodied soup that tantalizes your taste buds with mildly spicy stewed fish umami and hints of creamy coconut milk and lemongrass fragrance. Wow, this is really cool. But yeah, check that out. So it's like, that's cool. Super cool. So underneath the bowl is this, and let's pull this out. And underneath that, we've got a big, look at that. There's our fish head curry. Let's check these out. Wow. Limited edition from Singapore. So yeah, if you really want to try this, I highly recommend go to Singapore. I mean, I've been there. We spent about, an hour at the airport on our way to Malaysia. And it was a neat airport, so if the airport's any indication of how it is in Singapore, I'm guessing it's absolutely wonderful. And everything I've ever seen about Singapore, it looks really neat. But yeah, check this out. Big cup of noodles. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Nissin Singapore for sending these over. Well, I ended things a little too soon. As it turns out, that wasn't the only variety that they sent. They also sent their chili crab, and tom yum seafood. Well, again, thank you very much to the folks over at Nissin Singapore. What a cool presentation of a new product. I think this is really cool. You see things like this sometimes coming out of Southeast Asia, and they really, when they come out with a new product, they want it to do well, and they I bet you it's going to be good. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.